Hi vlog, my name is Miley.
Only thing you got is your word. I put that shit on my mama. Now you really just can't get comfy. Gotta keep at it, buddy. Oh, I had this money, wasn't worth about nothing. That shit feel backwards too.
I'm back for year 2 with Miley and Vic, and we're staying at the best place ever in heaven.
And this is gonna be our future.
Yeah.
We're all gonna live together on a farm with a bunch of
Oh no.
I'm still gonna eat it.
I see my future and it's really bright. Vic, you have to introduce yourself.
Vic, do you want this cat?
Wait, what?
Do you want this cat? He's trying to eat my muffin.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
Hey.
I got these bitches mad again. Never about no money, but it's always about these men. She furious.
This is Caspian, a stinky blind dog who doesn't know personal space. Yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. 6, 7. Guys, meet 7. He's trying to steal all of our food.
But he's so
But
cute.
he's so cute and he's sitting so patiently in my lap.
Yay!
Yay.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh my gosh.
Why is it purring?
Not my Vic keeps being like, why is it purring? Why is it licking me?
She like doesn't actually like the cat. Meow, 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 meow.
I think it's from the muffin.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
Oh. Okay, I'm currently making them eggs. Look at the eggs, obviously all eggs are laid by a chicken, but like I feel like these are so obviously laid by a chicken. Like they're so oblong. Is that the right word? Yes, I'm using a spatula to whisk these eggs. I don't want to make a fork dirty. Give me a second.
Say the thing. Say the thing
Wait, what's
that you've been saying.
Oh, start digging your butt.
Oh god.
I don't think.
Have you seen the video?
I feel like you're born in the wrong generation.
How am I born
Was
in
she
the
supposed
wrong?
to be born later?
Yeah, she's supposed to be Gen Alpha.
No.
Oh no, not my eggs. 6, 7 is in the house.
Hey. 6 and 7! Guys, we named this one 7 and then the runt is 6.
And he's under
So
the
6
bed.
and 7.
We got him.
We got. Look who we got! Oh, wait, it's so cute. Oh, God. Can I just keep it in my pocket?
Yeah.
Guys, you're actually joking. We just chilled. We're chilling for a bit. I got ready. Look at my farm outfit. Isn't it so farm? But then we're gonna go at 11:30. The Airbnb owner said we can help her pick the eggs from the coop. So we're gonna help her do that and get some farm fresh eggs. And then we're gonna go to the lake. Hello everyone! Hello! We stopped by some random boba and sushi spot. And we got a rainbow roll. Ooh! It actually low-key looks yum.
Yeah, Loki looks good.
The boba's mid.
Yeah, but it
It
works.
hits the spot.
It works.
Did you try it? How was it?
Not bad actually.
Really? Is it like grocery store sushi?
It kind of like the Davis stuff.
I'd give it like a 7.
6, 7.
out of 10.
No.
It's passing.
I'll give it a 6.
6.
It's like
6, 7. Sorry.
6.
What about you?
Yeah, I would say 6.5 or 6.7. 6.7.
Like a 6.7. Okay. Thank you, Paradise Sushi Place.
Thank you. I wonder where this fish is from.
Hey. Hey. We made it to the lake. About to fall in.
6.7.
I decided to get a grill.
It's pesto.
Do you not like pesto?
Wait, do you not like pesto? What's up? I don't like pesto.
I don't like pesto either.
I thought it was just a chicken wrap, but it's a grilled pesto chicken wrap.
I got the Mexicali salad with chili lime chicken.
I got the tarragon chicken wrap. Yay.
And Vic's drinking. Vic's going
my
crazy.
cider.
She's
She's
going
going crazy right now.
A
actually
cider.
really
Golden
crazy
State. I
like
think I've
movie.
tried this.
Yeah,
Get a
I definitely
rating.
have tried
Crack
that.
her open.
Ooh,
That was
crisp.
nice. It's like biting into an apple.
It was pretty good. You guys want to
What do you rate it?
What do you rate it?
6? I don't know. I never rated alcohol before.
You just take it down.
I'd give it a
7.
5.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's a 5 for sure.
That's like a beer cider.
What is she doing?
It's 5:54 and we're about to cook our dinner. We're gonna pick some things from their garden, make some dinner, and have a photo shoot. Our pasta plan kind of failed because we don't have a big pot. So Vic's hooking us up with some yummy ramen.
Yay, Vic!
We opened the door for a second and 5 cats came running to try to come inside. This is what we're talking about. Look how many animals are waiting to just go inside. Like they're all,
Oh my god, guys!
they all try to go in and you come out.
You're so cute. You're lucky guys.
Dinner is served thanks to Vic.
Thank you, Vic.
Oh. Vic has a spice. Vic has spice tolerance and we don't. So we ate the ramen, but it was really spicy. At what cost?
And all the cats are loafing around us. It's the loafing.
It was like actually such
The other one was loafing right next to me. You missed that.
Oh, it's actually such an overstimulating dinner. Like the spice, the ramen was so good, but it was just so spicy. And then these cats were trying to eat our food, and they're so cute.
Where'd your flower go? I left it on the window. I didn't pick a new one. Mine's dying.
She's brought us fruit to save us.
My flower's dying.
Okay, post photo sesh. Miley just showered. We're about to drink our wine and go stargaze. Hopefully.
Yippity doo dah. I got a lot of good pictures of you guys. I'm gonna keep keeping them.
Miley's gatekeeping her pictures.
That was I hate you. That was literally crazy. Is that her? She said that to me.
We all Vic and I, Vic has our Digi too. We uploaded our pictures to the shared album immediately. Immediately.
I'm doing it
And
now.
she had the audacity to, instead of upload her pictures, shower. She showered instead of uploading her pictures.
That's crazy.
She can shower tomorrow. You know what? Can't wait. Uploading her picture. Let's get Sandy.
I'll send Vic's toes too.
You can't see it, but there's stars up there.